All right, guys, how's it going? We got a how-to video on a Toyota Sienna here today. A family friend of mine got their windshield replaced, and a lot of times when they replace the windshield, they need to remove the wiper arms to get to it, and sometimes they don't put them back on correctly. So as you can see, this passenger wiper here is a little too high, and it's way up the windshield here, and you can totally see it when you're driving, and this just isn't the proper position. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that. All we're gonna do is we are gonna pop off this cover here, like so. And we are going to expose the bolt. And in this case, it is a 14mm socket. We're just going to put it on here and just loosen it up. Bolt comes off. This arm, you kind of bend it up like that, and you just kind of work it off like so. And then we're going to see how we want it down like that. So we're going to skip it a couple teeth and put it back on. Just like that. Put our bolt back in and test fit to see how this goes. Put it back down, and that's a much better position. So then we just tighten it. Like so. And there we go. And what we want to do is check the full fitment. So all the way over here at the edge, it's a little bit over this rubber seal. I don't like that, so I want it to be more up there. So we're just gonna do it again and skip it up one tooth notch. If we look inside the arm, there is all these little teeth. And so all it is just skipping a couple teeth on the mount and lining it up. And after a little bit of back and forth of, jumping the teeth and seeing where it fits, I was able to line it up so that it just barely goes over here. You can see this is the old witness mark, so we were able to drop it over an inch. I think that these wiper blades are slightly too long for this car because I can't have it go like down there without it hitting this. So the person who replaced the windshield might have put wiper blades that are too long for this car. You also want to run your wiper blades a few times and test them to make sure that everything is good and tight. You have a nice, good wiping of the windshield. It's not hitting anything else or juddering or coming loose. And once that happens, you're just going to stick your little cap right back on. And it's simple as that. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Thanks.